Ready to turn your podcasting hobby into a revenue stream? Let's dive into how you can make serious money using Buzzsprout. First up, affiliate marketing. Buzzsprout offers an easy way to earn by promoting their services. You'll receive a unique affiliate link. Place this in your show notes or mention it on air. When listeners sign up through your link, you get a commission. This is really helpful for anyone starting out since you're promoting a service you already use and believe in, making it organic and easy for your listeners to listen to. Next, let's talk sponsorships. This is a bigger deal for many podcasters. Partnering with brands that align with your podcast's niche is lucrative. Buzzsprout doesn't directly place sponsors, so you will have to pitch to suitable companies. But they do provide the platform and stats you'll need to prove the value of your podcast. This includes how many downloads, listens you are getting, which is important when you're figuring out how much ad revenue you would like to receive. Finally, advertising. Once you've amassed a solid listener base, you can integrate pro-roll, mid-roll, or post-roll ads. Think of CPM, or cost per mil, which means cost per thousand downloads. Your earnings increased proportionately to your download numbers. Buzzsprout's detailed analytics track your downloads, providing the data you need to show advertisers your value. Remember, the more listeners you have, the more you earn. So keep creating great content and promoting your podcast. That's the key.